You know, protein's such a buzzword at the moment, but what does it actually mean or do? Well, it helps us maintain a healthy body, and that's for our muscles and for our bones. And so I thought we'd use Ryvita protein, red quinoa and sesame for this recipe. Yes, that is how you pronounce that word, quinoa. Because for ages I was calling it quinoa until somebody sort of pointed it out and I was like, yeah, I knew that, yeah. Anyway, so we're going to use this. It's got lovely seeds on it. This is new, absolutely delicious. It's high in protein, so we love that. Put some mashed avocado on there. And then just grilled chicken on top. Layer it over like that. Lovely. And then you can top it with some extra sunflower seeds and pine nuts and a little bit of red pepper, which makes it look pretty, I think. Simple.